out, check it 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 out. Yeah. Ooh, it's not gasoline. I'll put some gasoline.
I just got your 5-minute order.
Now I gotta find, oh, my lighter.
Nope.
Go get a lighter. We're gonna go get a lighter. Oh, it's on my fire.
Last time I remember me and you even having a class together.
Look, look, what I have created. Cookie. Give me a little update of what my fire looks like. Watch out now, child. Watch out now, child. I'm about to burn up my kid. Get it. Boom, boom. Oh, look at my stack of wood, bro. Wood. 2 feet high, all the way down. Tired of going in the woods and sawing that shit up. My right arm's getting sore. It's already bad, you know what I'm saying? The Saints game, look at that score. 24-12. They're gonna probably take the Super Bowl. So we pulled the grill out, and we've, did you get anything to eat with it? Like sides?
Oh, chips.
Oh, y'all can't even see that, there's no lights. Chips is perfect, man. Let me see the coal, the charcoal. Is that self-light?
Yeah,
self-light, man, I'm self-light. Even though I got lighter fluid. Now you can see the grill. Ain't none on it yet. I'll show you what I'm about to put on the grill. Oh, snap. Seasoned by yours truly, you know what I'm saying? Then I got the sliced and diced by yours truly. Truly. But I don't know if you can see that grill smoking like that, but it's smoking something good too. But I know y'all be able to see it when I do this though. Watch the wind catch that flame. Whoa, gosh. Man, that looks like it's $1 million stuff right now. Do a couple more logs on it and it's burning it, it's burning it, burning it. I don't want through all that wood though, every bit of that wood. Can you see me now that the fire's all in my face? Huh? Okay.